All right, what's going on, guys? I just want to make a quick video on futures trading since I've been getting a lot of questions about it, and also the market is very choppy right now. So once we get a sign of which way Bitcoin's gonna go, we can hop into some leverage trades, some futures, and make a lot of money on that. So the first thing is just equity. Equity just means buying the crypto. So for example, if you want to buy XRP, you're just holding it forever. Like nothing's really gonna happen. So that's what equity means. Probably should know that. So along in the futures trading or leverage trading, along just means that you're betting for the crypto to go up in price. So it's like if you are in the stock market, it's like a call basically. And a short is just the opposite. A short is betting the price will go down. It's like a put in the stock market. So leverage trading is just a tool that allows investors to make spot transactions, purchase and sell with the help of borrowed capital from brokers. We'll get into that a little more down there. So usually these funds exceed the account balance of the investors, therefore it is a perfect way to maximize profits. So basically what that means is you can use the brokerage money if you only have like $100 and you're doing like 10x. You get $1,000 basically, but you're not actually getting $1,000. Go in more detail right here. So there's different ones. There's 5x, 10x, 20x. So basically 10x means is you start with $100, you just multiply it by 10, so it's 1,000. So you can buy 1,000 worth of the crypto. So say you're doing XRP, you can buy 1,000 worth of a long or a short with the crypto with only 100. So you can use higher leverage also to buy more with less money, but basically you're using your small amount of money, so the $100, and you're trying to maximize it with 1,000. If you go higher up in leverage though, you will get liquidated quicker. So what it means to be liquidated is when the exchange forcefully closes a trader's leverage point due to your money not being there. So if you put $100 in and the stock or the crypto drops, say like XRP drops a lot, you're gonna get liquidated and all your money is gone. You can only lose though what you put into the trade. So just because say you put in $100 and saying you get 1,000, you can only lose $100 though. So you can't go past that. So if you put 1,000 in, you can only lose 1,000 into a futures leverage trade. Margin trading, I would stay away from this. I've been told. I mean, the stock market is the same thing. It's just you can borrow money from the broker, but they charge you like a fee. So it's like taking out a loan basically. I don't do that basically. So we're just gonna run down some of these like market, limit, and stop loss. So market buying at market means you're buying the crypto at the price it is when you click buy. So whatever the price is when you click buy, it is. When you buy, you're probably gonna lose money though right off the rip because the crypto is so volatile. But yeah, don't trip about that. Limit, you might hear people call limit, set your limits or whatever. It just means to buy into it, whatever, basically it just means to buy into it, set what you want to buy into it. Bitcoin's at 50,000, you want to get Bitcoin at 48K. Once it hits 48,000, set your limit to 48,000. So for XRP, if XRP is sitting at 80 cents and you put your limit 90 cents, once XRP starts to run and once it hits 90 cents, you're going to get filled. Even if it hits 90 for 0.1 second and shoots up to $60, you're going to get filled. And then a stop loss just means if the crypto hits your stop loss, you're going to sell out of your position, whatever it's at. So if you're in XRP at $1 and it hits 60 cents and your stop loss is 60 cents, you're selling all your XRP at 60 cents, whatever. So I'm going to show you how to do it on Kucoin basically. So send your money to Kucoin. This is a new account, so I'm not going to send any money over here because I don't know. So once you have your money here from Coinbase or wherever else, Binance, or you can trade on Binance, so I don't really know, but unless you're in the US. So wherever you get your money from, once it's in your main account, you just click transfer, whatever it is. So say it's, I don't even know, what the fuck is One Earth? So say you click transfer and you just transfer it to your futures account, and then you click all of it. I don't have any, clearly, so yeah. And then once you get in your futures account, you'll go here, your trading account, or your assets overview actually, and you'll see it. It will be main account trading. You'll see it in your futures account. So once you get that in your I don't even know what I just clicked. So once you get that in your futures account, what you want to do to trade futures is, hold on, let's wait for this computer to load real quick. you just go to markets on desktop. This shit's so long to load, bro. Oh my god. And then, oh. And you just go to futures. So then once you get to futures, say you want to do, let's see, say you want to do XRP futures. You just go to your futures and you'll have your money in this already because you transferred it from your main account. And if it's in your trading account, you just go from trading account to futures. So basically, we can do up to 5x on this one because I don't even know. It's a brand new account. On my other one, I can do 20x. So what you would want to do if you want to, I don't know why the chart is not here. It's a little weird. I have no idea where the chart went. What the fuck? All right, whatever. We don't even need it though. So, say you want to put your limit price at XRP's at 0.8256. So you say you want to get in at 0.80. You just put your limit price there. The amount of XRP you want to do, all of your money, XRP to the moon, and then whatever leverage you would want to do. So just put like 5x, I guess. They don't have 20x. You could do 50, like whatever. If they have 20x, 10x. I usually do 10x every trade or 5x. I don't know. And then take profit. TP is take profit or SL is stop loss, you know, of the long. So say we're betting that it goes up right now. We're going to do that for the long. So our take profit would be, let's just say like 90 cents. So you put 0.90 and you could do 25%. So we'll just do 100% at 0.90. And then our stop loss would be what we don't want it to go under, where we lose money. So let's just put like 0.70. Right? So say it's 0.70. Oh, I don't know why that put it like that. And then you put your trading password in. So say you want you could also do it like this. Instead, you don't want to do it like that. You could just put your stop loss like this, 25%. You could also edit these. So like, click this one actually. 25%. You do like 7%. That's what you want your take profit. That's what you want your take profit to be. 7% of your initial trade, or 100%, and then you want your stop loss to be like 30%. It will also tell you how much you're gonna lose. Here, I have like no money in, so it's not gonna tell me how much I'm gonna lose. I have 0. I have no idea what this does. Oh yeah, that's market. You can buy at the market on futures, but as I said, it's probably not smart. I mean, you could, but you're going to be down right away. So you could, on the same thing, it's take profit, the long, short, same thing. Just you're buying it like that. Yeah, and then you just place your order. You put your trading password in. I never made one. We're definitely not making one right now. And you're just basically set to go. If you get liquidated, though, remember, the initial amount is gone. You're not going to lose more than your initial amount. So if you put in $800, or I don't know why I just typed 100, but so if we put $100 in of XRP, it's $82 right now. You're only gonna lose $82 on that. So I hope you guys, this did help you. If you have any questions, comment down below, or I don't know, if you're in the alpha, hit me on the DMs, something. Yeah, but I'll just leave this up here. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope it did help. Hopefully Bitcoin hits 100K end of the year. Let's get it.